everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious. Very tasty. Chili chicken. So easy to make. And let me share with you how to make it such a delicious chili chicken. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 2 chicken breasts cut into small pieces and washed with cold water. We're going to marinate the chicken with soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, and 2 eggs, along with cornstarch. We're going to use 1 tablespoon. 1 green bell pepper, which is capsicum, cut into small cube-sized pieces, along with 1 onion, 2 green chili cut into long slices. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. If you are using vinegar, then skip this part. Ginger, garlic, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, green chili sauce, tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon each. I'm not using scallion, which is green onion. I'm using cilantro. Then 1 teaspoon, I added cornstarch into water. We're going to mix it. When to add it, that I will share with you. So let's start marinating the chicken first. Get a mixing bowl. Break open the eggs. Add salt. Half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper. This is the only salt I'm going to use with the chicken. Otherwise, I'm not using any salt if you've seen the ingredients. Since we're using hoisin sauce, soy sauce, there is no need to use salt. But salt is always in taste. If you like to add salt, you always can do so. So once that gets nicely beaten, add soy sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix it well. Once we added the cornstarch, and if you see there is a lumps get created and you cannot do it with the fork, get a whisk. With the help of whisk, you can do it. Then it will break it better. With the help of whisk, it's nicely beaten. This is how it looks. Now bring the chicken. This is chicken breast. Now with the help of 2 forks, you can mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, so we're going to fry the chicken, and it's a good idea to let it marinate for 10 minutes. Start burner. Get a karahi. I'm going to use another karahi. This one we're going to fry the chicken, and this one we're going to start cooking our vegetable. So we start another burner and get a karahi. I wanted to show it to you at the same time. Since I got a big karahi, I'm going to move this karahi on the back burner, and we're going to start that burner. I'm going to turn off this one. We're going to start another burner, which is at the back burner. I wanted to show it to you at the same time. When I do cooking, I always prefer that you can get the same exact thing what I'm getting it. So there is no fabrication. So we're going to add a vegetable oil. Add vegetable oil. We're going to let it heat up. On this burner, I'll add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. In my cooking, I always prefer olive oil. This karahi, I put the gas on a simmer because I want it to have heat up this one slowly, and we're going to work on this one first. Prior to adding chicken, mix it one more time. So first we're going to see if the oil is heated up. As you see, the oil is already heated up. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. We're going to move around. If they are sticking together, just break it open just like this. My lady going to cook the chicken. As you see, the chicken is started to cook. Making sure, moving around, and as the gas, I kept it on simmer. I'll bring garlic. This oil is also heated up, and ginger. I'll mix it. I'll turn the fan on. You don't have to do this step at the same time. I'm just wanted to show to you how easily and efficiently you can make it right away. This is a very simplified process. So I'm keeping gas on low. So I'm going to bring onion, bell pepper, and green chili. Mix it. If we check our chicken, this one is, if we press it, yeah, it's nicely cooked. Chicken breasts don't take that long to cook. So we'll take those out. And on this side, we are cooking our vegetable. So place it in the plate. And now, we're going to put the second batch. So just be careful when you're putting in. Don't burn yourself. If I show you the chicken piece, look at this. It's nicely cooked. Very delicious. We are cooking the vegetable on a low gas. On the other side is the chicken is cooking. And if you see the first batch, looking really nice. It's nicely cooked. The tip is when you are making a chicken pieces, make a smaller pieces. Then they cook fast. As you see, the chicken second batch is almost getting cooked. And I'm cooking vegetables on low gas. Just keep it moving. They're not going to burn, but I just want to move around so they cook evenly. The second batch is also fully cooked. We're going to remove the chicken out. And we're going to pull these out. This is a good thing about the big strainer. When you pull it out. Just like that. And now we are ready for the last and final batch. Again, be careful when you put it in. Don't burn yourself. When you drop it slowly. The tip is don't drop it from here, then you will splash all over. When you're dropping it, drop it next to the oil. So we are done, as you see. Chicken we are cooking on a high gas, and once the oil heats up, it cooks real fast. And the bell pepper and the onions we are cooking on this side. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium. Now this is the last batch almost cooked, so we're going to make sure that we cook this one well. If they are sticking together, you just break them open. So the last batch is almost done. So we're going to pull these out. So that one is done. Now, as you've seen it, how to fry the chicken, and now we can concentrate on this one. Now I'll show you. So you've seen it, the chicken is fried. And this one you don't have to do it at the same time. I just wanted to show it to you. As you see, now the bell peppers start to change the color. So that is nicely sauteed. Now we're going to add spices, black pepper, soy sauce. After adding it, just give it a stir, just like this. Hoisin sauce. Mix it. And now we're going to add green chili sauce. So after adding, just keep mixing. So mix it well. Now we're going to add ketchup. Mix it well. Lemon juice. Mix it well. So this is the cornstarch prior to adding it. So mix it well because it tends to settle. Now we're going to, once it's added, mix it well. If you notice that I haven't added any salt, the reason being hoisin sauce and soy sauce. But you always can adjust salt to your taste. So once this one is mixed really well, now we're going to add the chicken. Mix it well. So now bring the gas to on high, and we're going to cook it really well. And with the help of 2 spoons, just mix it like this. Cook for 5 minutes. Keep it moving and keep cooking. If you notice that the onions are nicely transparent. You can see, nicely transparent. This is perfect. Cooking chili chicken for 5 minutes. Add cilantro. Good amount of cilantro. As I mentioned, you can add scallion, which is a green onion. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. The chili chicken is all ready. I'm a serving plate ready, and we're going to dish out. Look at this. Delicious chili chicken. One of the simplest and easiest way to make a chili chicken. This is very delicious. Let me share with you. Very tasty. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make. It's a super delicious chili chicken recipe. Please try it and you're going to love it. This is a very easy and simplified chili chicken recipe. I hope you're going to like it. Look at these onions. This is so transparent. This is what I like. And the chicken. Wow. It's so juicy, tender, and moist. Please try it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.